Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is the day I'll be doing the drawing for the wax canvas roll flint and steel kit. And here I have a package. Nobody's name is on it yet, so we need to remedy that situation. But whoever gets this is what you shall receive. We have a little extra chalk cloth. We have some punk wood. And we have our waxed canvas flint and steel kit. And just a reminder to everyone what's in there. Hand sewn, hand waxed canvas. We have our handmade flint striker. We have a nice little tin chalk cloth. And we have a couple pieces of Florida shirt. And we have the Ohio shirt. So the winner will get this kit exactly as shown, and they'll be getting the El Cuatro from Nathan 4071, one of his new square ferro rods and he put a nice Coca-Cola handle on it. So let me clean this up and we'll get on with the drawing. All right, folks, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. TN Deer Stalker Outdoors, you're the winner, my friend. Wow, cool beans. So also don't forget, you're gonna get the El Cuatro from Nathan 4071. So when you send me your address, I'll get this out to you and I'll forward your address over to Nathan and he'll get it out to you as soon as he can. And everyone, I just want to thank you so much for entering this contest. I let it run a little long so everybody had a chance to get in. And I really appreciate everyone getting in on it. And again, congratulations to TN Deer Stalker Outdoors. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for all your views. And I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.